Hospital's vocabularies. This is a ventilator. It's in German. Das Beatmungsgerät. This one is called extraction unit or suction apparatus. It's in German. Das Absauggerät. This one is oxygen connection. It's in German. Der Sauerstoffanschluss. This one is called resuscitation cart or reanimation cart. It's in German. Der Reanimationswagen. This one is called resuscitation board or reanimation board. It's in German. Das Reanimationsbrett or Reha-Brett or die Reanimationsplatte. This one is defibrillator pads. It's in German. Die Defibrillatoren pads. This one is blood gas analysis or blood gas analyzer. It's in German. Der Blutgasanalysator or das Blutgasanalysegerät. This one is syringe pump. It's in German. Der Perfusor. This one is infusion pump. It's in German. Infusomat. And the last one is a feeding pump. It's in German. Die Ernährungspumpe.